Yo, what's good everyone, and welcome. It's your boy Sauce God, aka Saucy, and if you're brand new to the channel, which you most likely are, welcome. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the post notifications to get notified for brand new videos on this channel, and welcome to that time I got reincarnated as a slime. This is Isekai Slime Memories. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see it. It is free on Android and iPhone, if I'm correct. I know it's free. So, we will be doing a replay mission on for the chapter 1, since all my files got corrupted. We're just gonna work this out. Let's get it. I'm on chapter 2 at the moment, but I haven't done anything for chapter 2. So, we're just gonna replay chapter 1. And I do have some pretty overpowered characters at the moment. Level 80, 50, and 45. I'm going to go ahead and snap us into mission 1. Okay, here we go. So, if you don't know the gist of this anime, he basically gets stabbed protecting his friend and ends up DD, and he becomes overpowered slime. Yes, this is the whole entire gist of this anime. He becomes overpowered. Bro has like overpowered video game systems to his advantage. That is Rimuru Tempest. One of my favorite characters is about to show up. His name is Veldora. He is a dragon, and he's pretty badass. There he is. That is my guy right here. The definition of aura farming. And he's also pretty damn funny as well. This anime is pretty damn good. I mean, I personally started watching Naruto. Then I started watching all types of other things. Then my friend told me about this. I was like, oh yeah, I gotta watch this. And never regret it. Nope. Fire. Complete fire. And what Veldora is saying right here, complete facts. Bro is the definition of unique. Because other slimes do not have a mind or soul. He's like, what the hell is going on? Like Veldora is saying, it's very interesting because everyone who has become reincarnated has never become reincarnated the way Rimuru was. And Veldora, he's been here for like 300 years. Like, bro been trapped by a hero. He's been here by himself all his time. And this dude over here talking about 37 years being alone, single, by right. Get you some. There's some females out there. It don't matter how chopped you are. You can look like big back. And there's girls that are looking 10 out of 10 who will cop you up like a milk at the damn Starbucks. Trust me, my boys, don't matter how chopped you is, you can find you a shorty. And Veldora, this man act like he all high and mighty, but for real, dude just a chill guy. He just wants to have some friends. Bro, he tries to act like he's the hardest one in the room, but dude will lay down his life for his friends. That is a real dude. Man, get this off my screen. Thank you. Bro, I've been wanting to get into an actual good anime game. And I actually do kind of like this. Like, I haven't had any problems with it. And this is just my first playthrough at the moment. So we're going to see later on and see what's going to happen. So Rimuru has this special ability called Predator, and this allows him to basically still an individual, a monster, a being inside of himself, and collect their powers, information, and all types of stuff like venom, resistance, every single thing, like overpowered, bro. Completely overpowered. Veldora just talking about, alright, just eat me then. What you mean? He said, I'm trying to get the hell out of this cave, bro. I'm not gonna lie, Tempest is actually a pretty fire name. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually hard. Rimuru goes hard too, not gonna lie. Rimuru does go hard. That's actually a really fire name. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are y'all ready? Because our journey is just about to begin. Once we get out of this cave and we get to moving, we gonna get it, boy. I'm trying to get into this damn open world, get into the story, all the characters, all the emotional attachments I have to them. Bro, y'all don't know if y'all haven't watched this. And she over here talking about, how did he do it? Bro's just built different. He is him. Rimuru is the definition of aura. Bro, get your on somewhere trying to pull up on me like this. I'm about to smack him up. Watch this. This is how I be acting whenever I have to eat green beans whenever I was a little kid. I'm gonna put auto, I already have auto battle on. Next battles will have auto battle off, but I just want to show y'all how powerful my character is. Like, I'm just gonna use my girl Shuna. Boom. Boom. Yes, when I mean overpowered, like, this chapter I'm just gonna straight up do all beginning missions. The difficulty is called beginner, but if y'all want me to do it on like the hardest difficulty, I definitely will. I just want to get through this chapter as fast as I can so I can progress further and get more stamina, because this game is like other mobile games where you have to collect items and stamina and electricity on other games where it's like the little electricity bolt. But on here you have to collect, what's it called? You have to collect stamina. I'm over here forgetting stuff. Me dum, me caveman. I know I'd be happy as hell to get the hell out of that cave as well. No cap. It's gonna be okay. We'll hear from Veldora again. Don't worry, guys. He'll come on later in the show. The game, you know what I mean? Since this is like the anime, he'll come later on.
なんだったんだ今の。まるで俺が怖いみたいな。喋った。
And here is my squad. These are my boys and girls. Shout out to the goblins, they my G's. For realio. Them are my G's.
ここでは感づかれ我らの村でご説明させてください。
感づかれる？まあいいや。案内を頼む。
Excuse me for like one moment. I'm gonna turn off my notifications.
せっかく村に案内してもらうんだ。そのくらいは手伝わせてくれよ。
Yes, sir. Let's get into some combat. Also, by the way, this game right now has a collaboration with Sword Art Online. If you've ever watched that anime, very good anime, by the way. Let's get into some combat, baby. Man, who am I gonna mess with first? I'm probably gonna go with. Yeah, let's go Ring. I mean, not like I'm not already overpowered. Boom. One shot. Bro, who did Buddy think he was? Man, get off my girl. Rock him. Get him up, Shuna. Boom. Bang. Get up off me. Get off my girl. Get off my girl. Shorty got game. Bro, she is so strong. But nothing compared to like my boy Rimuru. God, we ain't gonna talk about what I'm talking about. Okay, let's continue. I honestly love that they added like a village customization to this. Not gonna lie, it's actually pretty fire.
私はこの村の村長をさせていただいております。
はい、どうもよろしく。で、自分にお願いとは何ですか？
These two people right here, these two goblins, are legends. Put respect on their names. Like, bro, I love them. Especially the English dub of this this anime is actually really good. Veldora had so much aura, he protected the forest from other monsters. That's crazy.
時期的には合うな。魔物よけになっていたということか。
我々も応戦したのですが、戦力的に
それであなた様に
力を貸してほしいと。なる。しかし自分はスライムですので。
Y'all need some help? Of course. No problem.
ただのスライムにそこまでのオーラは出せませぬよ。相当に。
オーラ？なんだそれ。そんなの出した覚えはないぞ。大賢者、魔力感知の視点を切り替え、自分を客観的に見せてくれ。
Bro's just amazed on how much aura he's pushing off. Like, it's crazy. I remember this in the anime. Bro's emitting so much. Look at that. Aura. Definition of aura.
さすがは村長。わかるか？
もちろんでございますとも。漂う風格までは隠せておりませぬ。
そうか。わかってしまったか。お前、引っ込められた。
おお、 我々を試されていたのですね。そのオーラに怯える者も多かったので、
そうだな。怯えずに話しかけてくるとは見どころがあるぞ。って何の見どころだよ。っていうか、洞窟にいた人間たちよく気がつかなかったな。
はは、ありがとうございます。それでお願いと言いますのは。
ゴブリンの話によると、東の地から狼の魔物牙狼族が押し寄せて戦いになり、ゴブリンの戦士が多数討ち死にしたのだという。その中に名持ちの守護者のような戦士がいたらしいのだが、その戦士も討ち死にし、村は危機に瀕しているということだった。
牙狼族は全部で100匹程度。こちらの戦える者は60匹くらいでして。
絶望的な戦力差だな。なんか無理ゲーっぽいな。なあ、その名持ちのゴブリンの戦士は勝てないと分かっていて戦ったのか？
いえ、牙狼族の
Man,
その戦士
I remember this in the anime. R.I.P. R.I.P. for real. That was his son, and that's his older brother. Yeah, damn. This is all just coming back to me. God, I need to watch the anime again.
俺がこの村を助けるなら、その見返りは何だ？お前たちは俺に何を差し出せる？
It's not really like Rimuru wants compensation or anything. He literally just wants to see if the goblins are strong enough to live, because he does not want them to die, basically.
さすれば我らはリムル様に忠誠を誓いましょう。
そういえば、何のかんの言って昔から頼まれごとに弱かった。
Who does Buddy think he is up there aura farming? It's alright, don't y'all worry. Rimuru, he's gonna whip him up. Easy work, any time of the day. I promise that we gonna rock him, and we gonna knock him like the police do with a ram on the dough. Let's get it, guys.
ありがとうございます。我々はリムル様の忠実なるしもべでございます。
任せておけ。で、守護者になったものの、どうやって村を守ろうか。まずは村を回って状況を把握するか。みんな、状況は分かっているか？
はい。生きるか死ぬかの戦いになると覚悟はできております。
気負うことはない。気楽にな。最善を尽くす。そのことだけを考えろ。まずは負傷者のところへ案内してくれ。
できるだけの手当てはしましたが。
思った以上に深いな。爪や牙で。
Yeah, this is actually really cool. So he can basically consume healing potions, and he can put you inside of his body and heal you, which is actually extremely insane. Pretty damn cool, but also pretty badass. So basically, you can consume healing potions, collect someone's body, spit them back out, and heal them. Extremely overpowered healing mechanisms. Not gonna lie. Bro's just out here healing on healing on healing. Hey, that's a insane ass posture, bro. Y'all do not have to have y'all booty out like that. That's wild.
でも柵なんかであいつらを止められるのでしょうか。逃げて体勢を立て直すのも得策。
強がっても直接対決となるとみんなビビるよな。なんかうまく士気を上げられればいいんだけど。
魔獣が近くまで。まさかあいつらもガロウ族のように住処を増やそうと。
落ち着け。ここは俺に任せておけ。どうせ大したことない魔獣だ。
What Rimuru is trying to tell y'all is hold my beer real quick. Bro, it's TGI Friday. He hold his shot, by the way. Let's get it. Y'all don't know. Y'all about to find out. Easy work. I can't wait to fight like boss fights and stuff. Hopefully there's some pretty decent boss fights in this game. I mean, these little enemies right now is all we're facing, but there should be some powerful enemies along the way. Let's see. What am I gonna do? Who we got? Who we got? Sheer. Probably gonna line up a good combo with Rimuru right here. Boom. Get that. Boom. And then I'm gonna use my little... Probably gonna use my little slime. Yeah, let's just use slime Rimuru. Yeah, that's easy. Boom. Get him out of here. Easy work. Easy work. For realio, that shit was easy work. Just like Latina's twerk. Alright. Why did I say that? I don't know. I can't tell you. Damn. Shuno, can I get you an actual shirt? Because you don't have to have the whole Rumble O's out like that. Not that I don't mind the fan service, but you don't have to have them out like that, alright?
皆の者、リムル様の言葉に従い、急いで防護策を作り上げるのじゃ。
これで村の防御は大丈夫と。あとは奴らが攻めてくるの。
いい夜だ。この森からベルドラのカゴは失われた。恐れる者はもうない。
Also, in this one, I wanted to change up my characters for a moment. I wanted to try out my other characters I got from a gacha pool for free, so I was like, why not?
続け。我らが爪と牙を持っていかなる者も切り裂き進むのだ。あのような貧弱な策、何の役にも立たんわ。親父殿、あれを。
このまま引き返すなら何もしない。さっさと立ち去るがいい。
小賢しい。スライムごときが我らガロウ族に命令するな。あの策をなぎ倒せ。ゴブリンどもを血祭りにあげろ。
来た。
なんだ。何に遮られた。
止まった。腕。
これは糸。
スキル行使だ。
貴様まさか矮小なる魔物の分際でひねり潰してやる。親父殿。
リムル様。
この糸は。
こっちは年始さ。
これしき。
大将が出現しました。
よし、やってみる。ぶちかましてやるのだ。
I'm not gonna lie, the characters were so trash, I had to skip it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna do this little voiceover. The rest is all me just talking in the game. But I was like, bro, we gotta skip this up because they were so weak. But I will be upgrading them and making them stronger. Especially my girl right here, Malim. She's a, I'm not trying to really spoil if y'all haven't seen it. So it's like, I'm gonna let y'all find out. But she's extremely powerful. That's all I'm gonna say. This man Rimuru just clapped him up like Bonnie Blue. This man just clapped him up like Lana Rhodes. Easy work. RIP, but not RIP at the same time. Rest in peace. Just saying. I'm sorry, I'm mean. I am mean. Bro is evil though. He deserved it. Rimaru's like, I thought we was about to throw some hands. They're like, nah, we don't really care about all that. So basically in this anime, names have like power to them. If a master gives his monsters or his servants a name, it increases their powers, which is pretty insane. W names. He gives them all pretty much W names. Rieger, that's my boy. And his son gets Rieger. And one of my favorite goblins, he's about to show up pretty soon. I hope he does. Yeah, he does. I had to remember. His name is Gapta. That is my boy. Gapta. You'll see him. There he is. That's my boy. I mean, why she kinda... Let me stop. Ugh. No disrespect. Sorry. You cook. Let me shut my mouth. Hey, you can be cooked like him, but at the same time, there's shorties that will let you pull. For real. Ranga is nothing like his father. Definitely a W guy. Straight up BFF forever type shit. Will do anything for you, no cap.
モードへと移行します。
魔素の使いすぎ。
Bro used so much magic giving everyone names, and he didn't even know it would take so much out of him. Yeah. 3 days. Yes, 3 days, brother. I remember. Hey, I might have not watched the anime in a minute, but I remember. Like, I have that memory on my timing. And plus, I did play this just a minute ago. I have to remember some stuff because I do rip a lot of cereal, if you understand what I mean. Smush, smush, smush.
どうする？これでもしみんなに適当な名前つけたってバレたら、猫みを襲われたりして。いや、考えすぎだよな。みんな喜んでくれてたし。それに見えないけど、襲われてる感触もないし。あれ？でも、触られてる？この感触。俺、吹かれてる？スライムボディ吹かれてる？悪い想像
Bro talking about I feel someone touching me. He said, ugh, I got 2 shorties on me. Hey, no disrespect. Hey, you can't really blame him. Bro ain't had a girl in 37 years of his life. Hey, he said, I don't care if they just touching my head. Thank you all for watching. If you want part 2, which I'll be uploading probably tomorrow or today, somewhere, I'll let y'all know. But just hit that like button, subscribe, and I see y'all later. And we out.